That's the kitchen garden we were just in, and the cow pen is that way. And that's the cane mill, which is a squeezer for squeezing the sugar cane juice out of the cane, which is in the corner there. And then you boil it down in the kettle, you build a fire under it, you stay up all night and stir it. And you have a party once a year. Cane grinding it's called. And then this is the wash house built by an Eagle Scout, Charlie Schoonover. And when we have herbs that we harvest, we hang them from the ceiling. It looks really pretty and it smells wonderful. This is the Tatum House, the Tatum Rawls house, and you can see back in the day they used to carve the year that it started, and then they'd carve in the year it was finished. So we preserved that part of the old house. It took 4 years to build this house. And that's the kitchen. They had the kitchen off the house in case it caught on fire, because you're cooking with a live fire. This is one of the first propane stoves. I mean, not propane, kerosene stoves. And this is the schoolhouse represented here. So sometimes if people really lived far away, they'd have a schoolhouse in their house, and the mother would teach the children. If they lived far away from an area where there was a school teacher. And sometimes the neighbors' kids would team up and they'd take turns, the mothers. And then living room. And the bedroom behind you, the master bedroom. Mr. Tatum, who built this house, ended up with, he had 13 children, 2 batches. Stepkids 5, his own kids 8, living in this house. And then it was remodeled the same way as the old John Crowley house that burnt down. Here's the master bedroom over here. Scooter. Oh, a bug and a wasp. So a lot of people get married on the porch of this house. They've been told we're the #1 spot for rural weddings in the area. There's a drawing room up here, and then the people sit down here. Sometimes they have hay bales, sometimes they have chairs.